Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this jumbo box braid. If you have not subscribed already, I don't know what you're doing. Like, why will you be watching my video for free? Come and subscribe, my friend. Anyways, let's get right into the video. So I already sectioned my hair out, and this is 2 packs of hair right here. I went ahead and I feathered the ends of the hair. So if you guys want to see how I did that, just let me know in the description box below. Basically, we braided her hair the night before just so that it's a little bit stretched, because she has 4C hair, girl, and you know 4C hair is not easy to deal with. So when I want to take out her braids, I just usually use some kind of hair cream or oil to make sure that as I'm loosening the braids, her hair isn't breaking. You definitely want to use some kind of oil or cream when doing that. I'm going to go ahead now and section off her hair into 4 places. I just like to do that because it helps me manage my extension well. So I go ahead, section the hair into 2 places, then I'll section the back into 2 places as well, and I'm going to do the same thing for the front when I get there. So honey, this is the holy grail for braids. Like, if you want your parting space to look like sharp blade, you know what I'm saying, you really need this. It's gonna help your part look so crisp and so straight, like you use the ruler. Like, girl, I didn't use any cream, okay? It's just freehand, you know what I'm saying? Just kidding, guys. You guys have to use edge control. It's gonna make it a lot better for you to draw that line. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. I'm talking too much, seriously. So because her hair is 4C, I'm going to go ahead and put more edge control on her hair, just so it's a lot easier to hide inside the braid. For people with easier textures to work with, I don't do this. So this is the amount of hair that I'm going to be using, and you want to divide that into 2 places. One side has to be bigger than the other one, and then I'm just going to crisscross it like that and start braiding. So you guys pay attention to how I'm braiding, okay? You will notice how I'm going to hide her natural hair behind the extension. That's where it's going to make your tucking method so easy. Can you see what I just did? I put the extension above it, and that way when I'm braiding, the hair is already underneath, and I don't have to worry about covering her braid every time I do another, like, I move my hand. You guys get what I'm saying? English is hard, man. But basically, as you're seeing, like, her hair isn't showing up at all. It's already underneath, and that's the technique I like to use. So whenever I'm doing the back, I just like my client to hold it just in case it's hurting them and I don't want to mistakenly pull, you know. So I just tell them to hold the back. And whenever I'm braiding at the beginning, I braid really firm so that our hair is really hidden inside. And I'm just going to keep braiding. Just pay attention to how I'm doing it. So when you get towards the end, the braiding hair is going to start getting thinner. You don't want it to look weird, so you want to borrow hair from a big section of the braid and take that part you borrowed and join it to a smaller section, and then just keep braiding. That way your braid is going to be even all the way down. Pay attention to how I did that. Okay, that was too fast. Slow motion. Look at how I placed my hand. Boom, like that. And then I'm going to grab her hair and start braiding. Remember, you have to put that hair behind the braiding hair, just so that it's a lot easier for you to tuck it when you start braiding. And you see it's now behind, and I'm just going to keep braiding, and her natural hair is not going to show up at all. So whenever I'm braiding, I like to use cream just so it's a lot easier. It makes braiding a lot smoother. So when I was done, I just dipped the entire end of the hair into hot water. Look at how I'm putting my hand inside the hot water, guys. I've done this too much. I'm already used to it. But you want to go ahead and squeeze out the water with a small towel. And I like to just pat the entire braids with a warm towel as well. After doing all of that, just take your hair cream and rub it all over the hair. I just really like doing this because I like the shine that it gives to it, and it was actually one of my clients that taught me this. So yeah, you learn every day, guys. And yeah, that's pretty much all. Just look at how gorgeous and beautiful these braids look. Okay, that's not all, I'm just lying. Go ahead and trim any flyaways that the hot water didn't catch. Wow, that's actually not all. Okay, after doing that, the last step, finally, I promise guys, is to put this mousse on top of the hair. This is going to help tame the flyaways at the top of the braids itself, and it also has a very soothing feeling for the client because they've sat down doing braids and you just need something cool on their head, you know, for refreshment. You know what I'm saying? Okay. You can either leave this to air dry, blow dry it, or tie it down with a scarf. I left it to air dry today. It really doesn't matter. It just needs to dry it. That's the cocoa of the issue. Okay? Okay. And yes, that's all I did to achieve this beautiful, beautiful jumbo box braids. We had a total of 25 braids in. Honey, this is gorgeous. Like, just look at that. Like, oof, damn, braids so bad. Like, braids looking like they just came out fresh from the UK. You know what I'm saying? Like, these are not regular braids. They're international, baby. Okay, anyways. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, and click the bell button to get notifications whenever I post a video. And I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye. Just enjoy the remaining clip of me showing how beautiful this hair is. Peace out, babies. God, I need to stop. Okay, seriously. Bye. The video has not ended. Bye. Oh my God. Okay, there we go. Bye.